everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live 10. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Muvhango from the 20th to the 24th of June 2022 on Monday. Gezara gives an order to ruin Susan's career. James is emotional about his son at the hospital. Buchilo learns Zama only wants to hire him on Tuesday. The Ravele delegation drop a bombshell on Bakwebo. Lisedi's illness mysteriously vanishes. Will Buchilo get the girl on Wednesday? Demedzo announces his candidacy for council. Buchilo has a competition for Zama's attention. James is behaving strangely at work and at home on Thursday. Susan is summoned before Koroni to answer for drugging Azwindini. James freaks out when he sees a leopard skin artifact in its spec. Buchilo is worried that Zama is dating Richie on Friday. Strange and mysterious things continue to happen around James, prompting Imani to ask him to seek help. Susan's decision to come back with a bang leaves her with egg on her face. Gezara does not hold back his attack against a helpless Azwindini. Reggie makes it clear that Buchilo must get out of his way. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.